Welcome back to our channel, Elevate Equities. Debt can be overwhelming and stressful. It can affect your financial well-being and even your credit score, but fear not. In this video, we will discuss debt management strategies that can help you pay off debt and improve your credit score. Now let's dive into the video so you can get back to living your life debt-free. So, if you're struggling with debt and want to improve your credit score, these strategies are for you. Firstly, we will discuss about how improving your credit score can be a part of your debt management strategy. Your credit score is an important factor that lenders use to determine your creditworthiness, which can affect your ability to get loans or credit cards, as well as the interest rates you may be offered. So, improving your credit score can help you in the long run. Number 1. Reviewing your credit report. One effective strategy to improve your credit score is to review your credit report regularly. You can obtain a free credit report from the major credit bureaus, such as Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, once a year. Reviewing your credit report allows you to check for any errors, such as incorrect personal information or inaccurate account information, that could negatively impact your credit score. If you find any errors on your credit report, be sure to dispute them with the credit bureau and provide any necessary documentation to support your claim. Getting errors corrected can help improve your credit score. Number 2, making payments on time. Late payments can have a significant negative impact on your credit score. Set up reminders or automatic payments to ensure that you make all your payments by their due dates. Number 3, keep your credit utilization ratio low. Your credit utilization ratio is the amount of credit you are using compared to your total available credit. Aim to keep your credit utilization ratio below 30%. For example, if your total credit limit is $10,000, try to keep your balances below $3,000. Reducing your credit card balances and keeping your credit utilization ratio low can show lenders that you are not relying too heavily on credit and can help improve your credit score. Number 4. Avoid opening too many new credit accounts. Another strategy to improve your credit score is to avoid opening too many new credit accounts in a short period of time. Each time you apply for new credit, it can result in a hard inquiry on your credit report, which can temporarily lower your credit score. Instead, be selective and only apply for credit when necessary. Also, closing old credit accounts may negatively impact your credit score, as it can reduce your overall credit history length and potentially increase your credit utilization ratio. Now let's start with the potential strategies for paying off debt. Watch the video till the end so that you don't miss any of these strategies which we have researched on for you. Number 1. Create a budget. One of the most important things you can do when you're trying to pay off credit card debt is to create a budget. A budget will help you keep track of your expenses and ensure that you're putting as much money as possible towards paying off your debt. Start by listing all of your monthly expenses, including rent or mortgage, utilities, groceries, and transportation. Then, subtract your expenses from your income to determine how much money you have left over each month. Use that money to pay off your credit card debt. Number 2, pay more than the minimum payment. Making minimum monthly payments on high-interest debt is not a good option for consumers who want to save money. It can take years, even decades, depending on how much debt you have and what the interest rate is. Interest typically compounds every day on your entire balance, and with minimum payments, you make little progress in paying your balance down each month. Credit card companies typically require you to pay a minimum payment each month, which is usually only a small percentage of your balance. While it may be tempting to only pay the minimum payment, it will take you much longer to pay off your debt, and you'll end up paying more in interest. Instead, try to pay as much as you can each month, even if it's just a little bit more than the minimum payment. Number 3. Use the debt snowball method. The debt snowball method is a popular strategy for paying off credit card debt. Don't pocket the minimum monthly payment that you use to pay every month on your smallest credit card. Instead, start paying down your next smallest credit card balance with that money. You should, of course, throw all the extra money you can at this debt to get it paid off as quickly as possible. but the key is to free up money as you pay off your smallest credit card balances first. The monthly payments you free up will help you pay down the next smallest credit card even faster. Number 4. Transfer your balance to a 0% APR card. If you have good credit, you may be able to transfer your credit card balances to a card with a 0% APR introductory rate. This can help you save money on interest and pay off your debt faster. Just be sure to pay off the balance before the introductory rate ends, or you could end up paying more in interest. But doing a balance transfer may require a high credit score depending on the card, so it may not be an option for everyone. Number 5. Use savings. Many people regularly contribute to a savings plan, which is great, but this money could help you pay down what you owe faster or even your entire balance. Once you have an emergency fund and are saving for irregular expenses, consider stopping extra payments to savings accounts until you've paid off what you owe. This is especially helpful for those who aren't saving for something specific like vehicle repairs. The money you save by paying down your debts faster will be much higher than any interest you'll earn in a savings account. Also consider using income tax refunds, job raises, or other cash boosts to accelerate this process. Number 6. Credit counseling. Credit counseling is a free or inexpensive service provided by some nonprofits and government agencies. Interestingly, these services are often partly funded by credit card companies. By enrolling in a debt management plan with a credit counseling agency, you may receive an interest rate reduction on your balances and a waiver of penalty fees. Those concessions may or may not be sufficient to help you pay down your debt considerably faster, and you may or may not be able to afford the new required monthly payments. In addition, you might not qualify for an interest rate reduction, even if you have a significant financial hardship. However, because you won't have to default on your debt, your credit score may suffer less. Also, credit counseling may offer additional financial assistance that can help you avoid similar problems in the future, such as budgeting advice and financial counseling, as well as referrals to other low-cost services and assistance programs. Number 7. Use the Avalanche Method. This is the most popular way to get out of credit card debt, and some people claim it's the best. Many people have found that the Avalanche Method was the best way to approach credit card debt paying. Here's how it works. After paying debts that are on fixed monthly payments, mortgages, vehicle loans, and term loans, make the minimum payment on your credit cards with the lowest interest rates and maximize your payments on the credit cards with the highest interest rates. Once a debt is paid, use this extra money to pay down the credit card with next highest interest rate. The Avalanche Method will save you money and help you pay down all of your debts faster. Number 8. A debt consolidation loan. When used correctly, debt consolidation loans, balance transfer credit cards, and balance transfers are excellent ways to get out of debt. Consider consolidating your debts with a consolidation loan or transferring your credit card balances to a low-rate balance transfer credit card. However, make sure you understand the terms, conditions, any hidden balance transfer fee, and the overall interest savings you should get before signing anything. Cut up and cancel your credit cards if you choose this option. If you don't, you might be tempted to continue using them and further increase your debt load and make your debt even worse than before. Number 9. Negotiate with your creditors. One of the first things you can do to get out of credit card debt without paying is to negotiate with your creditors. You may be able to negotiate a lower interest rate or a payment plan that works better for you. In some cases, you may even be able to settle your debt for less than you owe. However, it's important to keep in mind that not all creditors will be willing to negotiate, and you may need to be persistent in order to get the results you want. If you have been a long-standing customer who has always been responsible with your payments, then you may have leverage and banks are usually willing to listen. However, if credit card debt is a part of your usual history, it means you need to work on your creditworthiness. Number 10. Get support from family and friends. Getting out of credit card debt can be stressful and challenging. It's important to have a support system in place. Consider reaching out to your family and friends for emotional support and accountability. They can help you stick to your budget and provide encouragement when you're feeling discouraged. If you're unable to pay off your credit card debt on your own, you can consider asking for a loan from family or friends. However, it's important to treat the loan as a serious financial obligation and have a repayment plan in place. This can help maintain your relationships and avoid any misunderstandings or conflicts. That's it for today's video. Getting out of credit card debt can be a challenge, but it's not impossible. I hope you found these strategies for paying off debt helpful. With a little bit of effort and dedication, you can become debt-free and enjoy financial freedom. If you have any questions or want to learn more, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on investing and personal finance. Thanks for watching.